What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja, and this is going to be a very abbreviated version of this review tonight. On this channel, we talk about making money online, and this video is no different. If you want to learn how to do so, check the links in the description below. Then you're going to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like this video, comment on this video, and share it with someone who wants to make money online. Let's get at it. Now, this lead is about an integrations engineer position at Fingerprintjs. It is currently 11:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And at the point of this time, this post was made 9 hours ago. It's full-time and completely international, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world once you have your devices like a laptop or desktop and good solid internet. Okay, this is just a review of what we just said 10 seconds ago, and we're going to jump into it now. Fingerprintjs empowers developers to stop online fraud at the source. We work on turning radical new ideas in the fraud detection space into reality. Our products are developer focused, and our clients range from solo developers to publicly traded companies. Some of our customers include Coinbase, Booking.com, Yahoo, and eBay, just to name a few. We are a globally dispersed 100% remote company with a strong open source focus. Our flagship open source project is Fingerprintjs, and you can see that in 15.2k stars on GitHub. That's the rating. So a lot of people use it, even if you've never heard of it before. My dogs use it, that's why they're outside barking. Alright? It always happens whenever I'm recording, but it is what it is. They have raised $44 million and are backed by Craft Ventures, previously invested in Tesla, Facebook, and Airbnb. Nexus VP, previously invested in Postman and Hasura, and Uncorrelated Ventures, previously invested in Redis, Rollbar, and Gradle. We're looking for an integrations engineer to build tools and integrations that utilize the full power of Fingerprintjs's capabilities. So they want you to develop tools, apps, softwares, whatever, to fully max out Fingerprintjs's potential. Alright? Someone who has experience with GitHub would be great. Loves open source and wants to work on developer focused projects that integrate with various third party APIs and services. Now, in this role, you will write well structured, high quality JavaScript and TypeScript code, create secure and high performance integrations with third party APIs and database engines, be deeply involved with internet security and privacy mechanisms, solve complex problems that require knowledge of web browsers, networking, and cryptography, like security stuff, like making sure things are encrypted, that can't be hacked into, stuff like that. Have a high level of personal ownership and autonomy, which requires experience working without clearly defined requirements. You definitely need good English. Yeah? Yeah. Ideally, we would love to have someone who also has historical record of open source contributions. So if there's any project you've worked on before, they would love to have you. Also, experience with technical writing. Alright? And that's one of the reasons they want someone with really good English. Here are the perks, the benefits, what the company offers. 100% remote position. You should be in UTC 8 to UTC plus 3, those time zones. Small team, lean hierarchy, and no politics. Alright, budget for learning. We want you to grow with us, so we offer a $600 yearly budget that you can spend to learn new stuff. You can buy books, attend conferences, pay for subscriptions, etc. Freedom to grow and experiment, work on open source projects and try new things and ideas. Ability to influence and quickly grow within the company. And you have access to stock options. Most likely you can tap into the country's stocks, as in get ownership of the company stocks, or some of. Some companies have programs where employees can actually purchase or are given some of the company shares at a certain point in time. Now, offers vary depending on, but not limited to, relevant experience, education, certifications or licenses, skills, training, and market conditions. And again, they didn't state a set they didn't state a set pay grade, which means you can go in and negotiate for possibly better than what you thought. Now, Fingerprintjs is dedicated to creating an inclusive work environment for everyone. We embrace and celebrate the unique experiences, perspectives, and cultural backgrounds that each employee brings to our workplace. Fingerprintjs strives to foster an environment where our employees feel respected, valued, and empowered. And our team members are at the forefront in helping us promote and sustain an inclusive workplace. We highly encourage people from underrepresented groups in tech to apply. And if that sounds like you want to be hired for this position, just press that button. The information will come up. You'll upload your information. And by the way, speaking of uploading information, if you don't have a resume, if you don't have a cover letter or CV, you can check the second link in the description. That takes you to a website called Canva, which is completely free. It has hundreds of templates which are completely free, and they will help you create those things for free. You create them, not create, you modify, because they have these templates. You just fill in the blanks, download them, and then upload them to your application. And that's really it. Thanks, guys, for sticking around for this review. It's great having you, and I hope you continue to stay safe. The pandemic still rages. If you want to make money online, hit the subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.